So here is how you can download Excel on the iPhone. So if you're new here on Foxtecc, subscribe and we can get started. So Microsoft Excel is naturally a spreadsheet editor, which you can find on the App Store. If you look it up, you can literally see it right there that it does show up and it is in fact freely available. You can download it for free, but in order to use it for editing, you will need to be part of the official Microsoft subscription, right? So you can download it for free and use it for reading files. But if you want to make any changes to the files, to the spreadsheets, you'll need to be part of the subscription, right? So you can download it officially from the App Store and get inside like this. And you can see that now I'm already signed in and I have the official subscription. Everything is set up properly and I can browse my recent files. I can see some shared or favorite files, right? Or I can also click on the plus button below and start a new spreadsheet. So I either choose a template or start one from scratch and I can essentially, edit all of the cells or do whatever I need, right? And that's essentially like the whole point of the Excel, right? So you can of course export it, perform some changes. I of course have some more tutorials about it on this channel, so definitely check them out if you are interested. But the important part is that you can get the official Microsoft Excel from the App Store, but you can also see there are other apps with similar functionality. Most importantly, there is the Google Sheets, which does exactly the same, but it's free, even though I guess it has a little less features, but it is freely available. All you need is just a Google account, but you can use it for free again to create spreadsheets as such, and you can as well fill up the information, work with it, create a chart or whatever you need. So yeah, you have more options available. Hopefully I was able to explain some things to you. Let me know your thoughts below and I'll see you in the next videos as well.